up?
Cause I know too many.
So we're right here at the inlet of the intercoastal. The opposite side of the San Luis over there. Well, technically. Bolivar, right over here. We're running late. We're running late, and look, I got Jonathan right here. I got Jonathan. Let's see if he can handle it. Look. Oh, he can't handle it. He can't handle it.
Yeah, are you having any fun? Fun? Are you having any fun?
Are you having any fun?
We're at Stingery right now. Everybody already took off from this area. I'm gonna go in eco mode or something and see what I can get with that because I'm already down 2 bars. Can you believe that shit? How the crap is that? So, 10 more miles down.
How many more miles?
10. This has only been 15 miles.
Probably 10 more. 15 miles already down to
15. I'm already down 2 bars. I'm going to eco mode right now.
Yeah, I'm down too.
Check it, yeah. If you ain't having fun, what you do it for? Quit your job, leave your wife, tell your kids you went on tour. You went out to get them snacks, ice cream and some chocolate fudge. You the one they love, so if you disappear, they hold a grudge. Showing up at graduation, telling them you're proud they made it. Then it's back to your vacation, bumping Californication in your station wagon that you borrowed from your older neighbors. Left a note that you would take it.
You kids get back here!
So how do you like it so far? A little wet. Oh my gosh. So we got Todd here. He's got the new freaking SVHO, my bad. The new black and gray. What's the legit color for it?
Oh my god, I'll have to look it up. I'll get back.
Don't end up in the marsh. Go ahead, go Jonathan. Todd wants to stay in the back. He doesn't want to end up in the, oh my gosh. And you got a pisser? What kind of newbie shit is that?
Living life without responsibility, sorta sounds a deal to me. Change my name to Cavity, cause everybody feeling me. Heard some people say I ain't a real MC. Might become a chef the way these motherfuckers grilling me. Meanwhile, I got every Will Smith CD and the first 2 seasons of Felicity. Rapping's like a gift to me. Literally, I hit him with the pawn like, yeah, baby, baby. Are you having any fun?
Are you having
any fun?
So much for that Google. Hey, you don't want to try to launch it?
I think you can make it.
I think I can make it. Let's go. No. The guy with the headphones should go first to let me know if it's clear.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I didn't get to meet y'all. Lisa and John. Avian. Nice to meet you. We got Evan. Look at him. Evan thinks we're going on we're going to Florida. We're going to Florida with that tank right there. Shit.
Take it.
Girl, we can have fun, lay under the sun, drinking all day, anything you want. Are you having any fun?
I can be the one you really wanted. Could've had it all, but then you lost it. Oh.
Yeah, first of the month comes, I ain't excited for it, baby. Type of thing.
Look at this, Cecily. Haven't seen her in a while.
But it's premature. No one's pregnant yet, but they might be once they hear this verse. I like some movie.
What's your name again? Bill. This is Bill with his FZ. Yes, there you go, there you go.
Oh, I'm always ashing it. Plus I'm killing it with older women like The Graduate. I can see you in my future, girl, can you imagine it? You the type to type a lot and call yourself an activist. I'm the type to overthink it all, I'm such an analyst. Everyone agrees, you're so attractive, it's unanimous. I'll do anything you want, babe, except abstinence. Take a yoga class and shit, maybe buy you brunch.
Be careful, it's shallow. Okay. No, it's shallow. Don't follow some of these guys. Shit, there's big ass mosquitoes. Oh my gosh. Hey, I gotta move. Hey, I gotta go. There's mosquitoes, a whole lot of mosquitoes.